What's up mga basketball? Alright, I'm back. My name's Owen, also known as Basketbolerong Bano at your service. So summer na po ang pormahan ko. At gusto ko pong ipakita sa inyo ang bucket hat ng Jordan. Look, ng Jordan brand. Napaganda po niya. Right? Summer na summer po yung colorway niya. Okay? So, mainit po ngayon dito sa Canada. Kaya po, as you will notice, lagi po akong naka-sleeveless or nakasando. Okay. Again, this is Owen, also known as Basketbolerong Bano at your service. Thank you very much po sa aking 235 subscribers. Sa hindi pa po subscriber, please do hit subscribe and hit the notification bell para po man-notify kayo kung mayroon po akong bagong video. Alright, so today po, again, we're going to do some unboxing. Today po, a 2 Air Jordan shoes. Let's do it. Okay. First one po, Air Jordan 1 Glow Green. Okay? So, kita nyo po to. May discount siya. I got it from Nike outlet. Okay? So, mura po pag sa outlet. Alright? Let's do it mga basketball. Here we go. Air Jordan 1 Glow Green. So, self-explanatory. Kaya po, glow green. Kasi po, mag-glow siya. At kulay green po siya. Diba? Okay, so may extra pong shoelace. Of course, glow green rin. Okay? So, kung ayaw niyo po ng black, you can use this extra shoelaces, right? So, glow green. So, maganda po to during summer, right? Maganda po siyang isuot this summer. So, kung bigyan po ako ng chance, like, if I have time to walk somewhere, I can wear a short. Then, wear this Air Jordan 1 Glow Green. Okay? Of course, outer sole niya, glow green rin. Ganda po yung leather niya. Okay? Okay. Alright. Linis po niya, right? Okay. Okay. Ito po ang pangalawa. This is also a Jordan 1. Okay. So. Any guess kung ano pong kulay niya? Okay. Wala po tayong oras na. Maghulaan. Okay. Ito po yung Air Jordan 1 Electro Orange. Okay, look at this mga basketball. Air Jordan 1 High Electro Orange. So siguro mag-isip kayo para siyang shattered board, right? Kaya lang of course dapat orange to, right? Pero ito orange, look. So I got curious kung anong colorway to, right? Kasi diba parang black toe, then kunti lang naman yung orange, right? But this is called Air Jordan 1 High Electro Orange. So I love the colorway. Okay? Kung malasin po ako hindi makakuha ng shuttlerboard this August, at least I have already electro orange, right? But I will try my best to have Air Jordan 1 shuttlerboard. Okay? Di ba maganda siya? Para sa akin malinis siya, right? So kunti lang yung orange. So, hindi masyadong parang napakadami ng orange. So, parang ng shuffleboard siya, right? Okay. So, mayroon po siyang extra shoelaces. White, yellow, and of course, mayroon na pong black dito. So, maybe I can put white or orange, right? Anyways, tingnan nyo po, mga basketball. Para sa akin, pumasa to sa aking taste. Kaya, I decided to have one. Okay? Alright. Have a closer look, guys. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you again to my 235 subscribers. And see you whenever.